Did you know that apple and almond make a perfect pairing for a delicious dessert? Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. In a mixing bowl, grate the fresh apples. Please do not skip the ads to support the channel and press the like button to populate this video. I will put a list of ingredients and more information in the description box below. Once grated, put it aside, then squeeze the lemon juice. Pour the lemon juice to the apple and stir. On medium heat in a pan, add the apples. Add the light brown sugar, followed by the vanilla extract or essence. Then add the ground cinnamon. Stir as it cooks. If you are new to this channel or you have never subscribed, please be part of the family by subscribing and pressing the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. Add the raisins or cranberries and stir. Apologies for the noise, the kids are playing outside. Add the butter and stir. Once the butter melts, set it aside. We don't want to cook it longer because it will cook more in the oven. In a bowl or a food processor, add flour. Add the baking powder. Then the powdered sugar. Add the softened butter. Cut it into cubes. Add an egg, followed by the vanilla essence. Mix. If you don't have a food processor, use a wooden spoon or a spatula to mix. Put your pastry dough in a cling wrap and cover it. Rest the dough for at least 30 minutes to an hour in the fridge. Once rested, sprinkle the flour on a clean flat surface. Then roll the dough flat. Sprinkle the flour only if the dough is sticky or too moist. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius at least 15 minutes before you bake. Due to the dough being a bigger size, I had to cut it in half so I can fit it on the camera without moving it around too much. I will roll and fill in batches. The reason for rolling the dough on both sides and keep it moving is so that the dough doesn't stick on the surface. Cut using any round object. I used a food stacker. You may use even a cookie cutter. Fill the dough with the cool apple filling. Then turn over half of the dough to close it and pinch the edges. Repeat until all the dough is finished. Do not overfill, otherwise it won't close. Please try these apple almond tarts and let me know your experience below in the comments. Please let me know as well what is your favorite pastry recipe. Place them on a lined baking tray. The reason we're putting a non-stick baking paper is because the egg is sticky. Beat an egg with vanilla extract or essence. Brush the pastries with the egg. Poke them with a sharp object to let the steam out as they bake. Sprinkle them with almond flakes. Repeat the process until they are all finished. Then bake them between 15 to 25 minutes. Please do not forget to press the like button. You may dust them with powdered sugar, that's optional. They were bursting with flavor. I hope you enjoy these light, flaky, buttery, delicious desserts or snacks. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.